So we're excited to have our third annual Back to School Resource Fair, and it's in multiple communities, and we have it in Alvord as well as in Lake Elsinore, and it's so great to be here today.
We've partnered with RCOE to be able to provide this amazing event for not only our families, but all families across the Western Riverside area.
We hope families that attend this event, that their students will be able to return to school at the beginning of the school year with pride, and so that they'll feel excited to be back at school and remove some of the stigmas that are often experienced by students who are facing the situations that they're facing.
It's important for people that don't really get the opportunity to get stuff.
How the economy is right now, it's people struggle nowadays, so just to help for the kids.
We're very community-based in this particular event, and the one in Alvord as well, I think is really powerful. I think it makes it known that we want to be visible with our community members, that we're here to support them, and we're here to bless our students.
So we're offering backpacks today, shoes, physicals, dental vision, a lot of fun, a lot of excitement in the air. We have food for our kids, and it's just a great place to just come and get everything that you need ready for back to school.
I think these events really highlight the power of partners coming together to support our community, to support our families.
So the first thing is the volunteers. There are blue shirts everywhere helping our families, which number one, so grateful for the help.
Today, I think we have close to 100 volunteers from Foot Locker, Jason Mark, Amazon, Oracle, Michael Kors, who support us with product donations, with financial donations, with their time and their blood, sweat, and tears as they sort shoes. And it really helps them understand like what they're helping us do day in and day out. And we will serve close to 1,000 kids today.
I got everything. I got this, and I got these shoes.
From my end, every time you see a pair of shoes or a backpack, you know somebody donated that. So for all the people that I don't even know that are pouring into our family and our kids and our district, I just want to say thank you.
Kaiser Permanente is one of the major partners for RCOE's resource fairs. We actually contributed about 2,000 backpacks filled with school supplies. It takes a village, and the contributions that were donated, they came from, 2 hospitals, 13 clinics, administrative offices, our volunteers, our contracted services, and we all share the same mission, and that is that we really want our members and the communities that we serve to thrive.
Oh man, we know it's a much needed service. Doing oral health and hygiene care with the students, the families, they love it because it's done right here on site. And that's what we are, mobile hygiene. We making sure that, hey, not just your brain health, but your oral health is actually up to par.
So today we're providing sports physicals, but All Kids Health is able to provide vision and hearing screenings. We do a lot of point of care testing, including anemia and lead screenings, and first grade physicals that they need for school enrollment.
I just want to thank the administration for inviting me out here to take part in this. I had a wonderful time helping a young man pick out his shoes and get him on his feet. And if you love kids, you can't help but be happy when you're in this environment.